Hello friends, and I welcome you to in my official YouTube channel, Infamous Celebrities Net Worth and Lifestyle. Our today's topic is about Keir Starmer Net Worth 2024. So first of all, you should know who is Keir Starmer. Sir Keir Rodney Starmer is a British politician and barrister who has served as Prime Minister of the United Kingdom since 2024 and as leader of the Labour Party since 2020. And now we will discuss about his biography. So Keir Starmer was born on 2nd September 1962 in Southwark, London. He grew up in the town of Oxted in Surrey. Keir Starmer is 61 years old. He was the second of the four children of Josephine, a nurse, and Rodney Starmer, a toolmaker. His mother had Still's disease. Starmer attended Selective State Reigate Grammar School, which became a private school while he was a student. He was politically active from an early age and joined the Labour Party Young Socialist when he was 16. He graduated with a Bachelor of Law degree from the University of Leeds in 1985 and gained a postgraduate Bachelor of Civil Law degree St. Edmund Hall at the University of Oxford in 1986. And now we will discuss about Keir Starmer career. So Starmer became a barrister in 1987 at the Middle Temple. Becoming a bencher there in 2009, he served as a legal officer for the campaign group Liberty until 1990. Starmer was selected in December 2014 to be the Labour parliamentary candidate for the Labour UK constituency of Holborn and St Pancras, a safe seat following the decision of the sitting MP Frank Dobson to retire. Starmer was elected to the 2015 general election with a majority of 17,048. He was re-elected at the 2017 general election with an increased majority of 30,509 and re-elected again in the 2019 general election but with a reduced majority of 27,763. In June 2024, Starmer was re-elected as the Labour candidate for Holborn and St Pancras at the 2024 general election. And now we will discuss about Keir Starmer's personal life. So Starmer met Victoria Alexander, then a solicitor, in the early 2000s while he was a senior barrister with Doughty Street Chambers, and they were working on the same case. The two eventually became close, becoming engaged in 2004 and married on 6th May 2007 on the Fennes estate in Essex. The couple have two children, a son who was born a year after their wedding and a daughter born 2 years after that. Both are being brought up in the Jewish faith of their mother. Until moving to Downing Street, the couple resided in Kentish Town, North London. And now finally we will discuss about Keir Starmer net worth 2024. So according to the online sources, Keir Starmer's net worth is estimated to be 7.7 million pounds. So my dear friends, it's all about today's video and I hope you enjoyed the video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe and take care. Thank you so much for watching this video.